Hi, are you wondering how this image are come by? Do you wish to design your image to be like this? Don't worry, stay till the end of this video. I will show you how to create these images with just using simple AI. You can just use within 1 minute, 1 second, you can create images like this to congratulate your followers, your subscribers on any social media. Please watch the video to the end. I'll put in the prompt at the comment section. Thank you for watching Ropinga YouTube channel. Welcome. Hi family. Today I'm going to show you how to create realistic image 3D images like this. So please stay tuned till the end of this video. So we go to Gemini. Open your Gemini like this. Before you can get to Gemini, you go to Play Store. Search for Gemini. It will come. This one, Google Gemini. I've already downloaded it. That's why it has come this way. So you open. So when you open it will come here. So if this is your first time, you log in with your Gmail account or any account of you. So you come to Ask Gemini. You click on the plus sign here, and now click on Gallery. Now select any picture of your choice. This is me. I'm going to select this picture. I think this picture is okay. So now I will put in the prompt in the comment section. So I have already written my prompt, so I'll put the prompt there. I'll put in the prompt in the comment section. So you look through. If anything that you need to change, you can also change it by I've made everything in such a way that I don't need to change anything, and you do what done. And you wait for a few minutes for it to create. I will show you how to create Facebook, YouTube, and then other social media. If it is TikTok, you just add the name, you just insert it there. So it is generation. Nano banana is generation. That is how to create images like this. Have you seen it? Wow, realistic. So to download it, you click here and then click like this. You are downloading it. So next, let's go back to this place. You go to this plus sign and click like this. We are going to do Facebook to take the image like this, and I add it. After adding it, you come to you add your prompt. So this is what I will add one. So this one will be doing Facebook. So you do Facebook. It is also generating to generate the image exactly for you. Thank you for watching Ropinga YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it to other people. So it is also doing few minutes after having seen. Wow, that is amazing. So you click like this and then so now last but not the least, let's add another one. We're going to add different person, like working up for so present like this. I'm going to add different person image to create a nice one like this. Gemini AI is doing the work for us. So now you upload your image like this, and I'll click again. I don't need to insert anything. That's why I'm doing it this way. So everything is going on smoothly. So you wait for some few minutes, and then no banana is loaded. So wow, I've seen. Okay. So thank you for watching Ropinga YouTube channel. So if anything, drop your comment for me too.